Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Thekidinthecity. I am Jonte. If this is your first time, thank you so much. I do appreciate you stopping by to tune in. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. If this is not your first time, welcome back. You already know we're getting into another Get Ready With Me. I have a podcast to go to today, the Ler and Lionel podcast. They're currently on a tour, so they're doing a live show in DC. So I snatched me a ticket and that's where I'm going. I'm taking some gifts from Urban for them, so it's gonna be super cute. But yeah, we're just about to get into it. I forgot what else I was about to say, but I guess it really doesn't matter. The look is giving very much Nubian Morticia, very much. She's in all black, but she still has a bright personality and a bright energy. And we are about to get into it, so let's just go. Let's just start. Oh, I'm so dehydrated. I have to get ready for a podcast live show. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is going to be an even quicker face than yesterday because I have to be out of here in maybe like an hour and 20 minutes. Because I want to get there early enough to get a good seat when the doors open. But I also need to make a stop before I go, so there's that. Every time I close my eyes, I wake up feeling so horny. Oh my goodness. So yesterday's event was nice. The DJ I represent and work for did really good. I don't know, he's very critical of himself, and I get it. You know what I'm saying? People are always critical of their craft, but I think he's really fire. So I always try to tell him that I think he's a really good DJ. But I get it, you know what I'm saying? You always want to do your best and present yourself in the best way. Like, I'm very critical of myself as well, so I get it. But I thought his set yesterday was really good. But yeah, I am dehydrated, so I'm trying to come back. Yeah, going in with our Milk Hydro Primer, if y'all can see that. My face is super moisturized because I just got out the shower, just washed my face, and you know, went through the whole routine. So yeah. Then with Lancôme foundation. Thought I was about to sneeze. Oh, Jesus. I try not to be as dramatic as I am, but I just think this is who I am. So, there's that, darling. You can't fight who you are. You can't fight who you are, you know? That really stretched out the product, though. I will say that. That was one pump. That really stretched out the product really well. Yeah, that was one pump. That's crazy. Let me just get like a little teeny pump ink. I need to call my mom today. I haven't talked to my mom in a few days. I don't know what she got going on. So the podcast that I'm going to is really cute. It's the Ler and Lionel podcast. I've been following them for a minute. And they're on like a little tour from city to city to do their podcast live. So as soon as I saw it go on sale, I grabbed tickets. I feel like that threw off my equilibrium. My equilibrium is off. Bro, I feel so dehydrated. What am I about to do next? Oh yeah. All right. So now with our Too Faced concealer in the shade Mocha, I'm gonna apply my concealer. Whew. I'm not going out tonight. After this podcast, I'm bringing my dumb ass home. I feel like I have been ripping and running all week. Had to go to an event Wednesday. Had to go to an event Thursday. Went to an event yesterday. Going to an event today. Then I have an event to go to tomorrow. Then I have an event to go to Monday. And then I had to turn around and go to an event on Wednesday. And then go to a 420 event on Thursday. Don't ask me to do nothing. I went from not doing nothing at all to doing something every day. I need to find a balance between the two, right? It can't be like, oh, you got something to do every single day, or you just cocoon in your apartment for a month. Like, it's got to be some type of balance. You feel me? It's got to be some type of balance, because this is getting crazy. And I don't know how to take that back, because I really enjoy it, right? Like, I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it. I really like editing and getting content. Like, that's what I went to school for. Even though I don't, I literally use my college degree for social media. Like, I have a degree in communications, but it's a specialty in digital media. So like editing, like all the production tools, Final Cut Pro. Like, my ultimate dream was to be a sports broadcaster, and do sports reporting. And then after sports reporting, I wanted to produce and film documentaries, like sports documentaries. Like, I love 30 for 30, like stuff like that. Like, that's what I wanted to eventually do. But yeah, like, I literally use my degree for social media. So shout out to me. So I really love going to the events and getting content. I love making my little reels. I love all the stuff that I do on social media for myself. And now that I do with the you know, with the PR stuff that I work with now, I thoroughly enjoy it. I really enjoy it. So I'm not even mad, and it's not even like I'm complaining about it, but I do be busy, right? I would be lying to say I don't be busy, but I really enjoy it. It's actually very enjoyable. I enjoy it very much. So that's a little fun fact about me. Oh, I'm sorry, Crayon Case Brow Pomade for the brows. I have not eaten. I'm gonna be at this show so hungry. now we're going to clean it up with our concealer. Oh, that felt so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was everything I needed. That felt great. If you don't crack your neck, you don't know what you're missing out on. It feels so amazing. That first good crack of the day in the morning to get the day started, that's the one. That be the one. Alright, put setting spray back to dampen the face, and then I'm going to go in with my 78 Sephora brush and blend out Le Concealer. Oh, I gotta send that email out. Okay, I'll do that as soon as I'm done with this, before I forget. These brushes for the concealer and the foundation, I don't think I'll ever, I'm not going to say ever, but these brushes do it for me in a way that unfortunately the sponges just couldn't. And it's not unfortunate, right? Because like it is what it is. But these brushes getting that under eye is a fool. And it's my favorite. I feel like I was shaking the camera. I probably was. Caught it. I'm not as ambidextrous as I be thinking I am when it comes to my makeup. All right, now with our chalk dust letter A, we're gonna go in and set the under eye. Hey. All right, so a little bit of powder, and then we're just gonna press it right into that under eye. Okay, now we're gonna bake. Oh, yo, my allergies be beating my ass. They be beating my ass, okay? They be having me in a chokehold. Every time. Hydration. Hydration. People that don't drink a lot of water scare me, because I feel like I can feel when I'm dehydrated. I feel it in my eyes. I feel it in my skin. I feel it like cotton mouth. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, how can you have those sensations and then decide to drink a Sprite or a sweet tea? Like, water. You need water. Get some water. You gotta get the water. Drink your water. Like, y'all don't be feeling that excessive feeling, the extreme feeling of dehydration? Y'all can't tell when y'all dehydrated? That scares me. Because if you can't feel when you dehydrated, if your brain can't recognize when you're dehydrated, it ain't recognizing nothing. It is not recognizing anything. Just saying. Going in with our eyeliner. Again, right on the lash line. Ain't nobody doing no damn wing. Oh my God, can I tell you a funny story? So, before I do this. So, you know, dating, getting in the dating world. And I did tell this story to my Instagram story. I told this story on my Instagram story. Whatever. Anyway, so, you know, of course, trying to, you know, date in a new city. Cool. No problem. So, on dating apps, you know, getting back outside. But I am on dating apps because I feel like it's not weird to be on dating apps, because people ask me out in my DMs all the time. And like, I talk to people in my DMs and they ask me out and we exchange numbers. I feel like that's almost the same thing. Like, anyway. So this has happened to me twice now, where somebody has liked my profile, and I've gone and I've liked their profile too. So we match. And then after we match, they message me to confirm my height. So I'm 5'11". It says that I'm 5'11" in my profile, because why wouldn't it say that I'm 5'11"? Anyway, so go through the profile. They like me. I like them. They message me, excuse me, and they ask, oh, are you really 5'11"? And of course, I respond, why, yes. Yes, I am. And then immediately, they're like, oh, no, that's too tall for me. Never mind. And this has happened twice. This has now happened to me twice. So it's just like, are y'all okay? Like, are y'all really okay? One, women don't lie about their height. And two, the thing that kills me about these dating apps is you will come across a man's profile and the first thing, tell me about yourself. I'm looking for a woman. She has to be beautiful. She has to be fit. She has to be accomplished. She has to cook. She has to clean. She has to be feminine. She has to be sexy. And I mean, a steno pad list of requirements, and then you scroll down the profile and they're 5'7". You look at what they got. They 5'7". They go to the gym sometimes. They barely have a job. The picture's got a messy ass background. Your shirt is wrinkled in that suit picture that you put. But you got all these expectations for women. And what do we get? Like, when I look at people's profiles like that, I be like, okay, yeah, like having your standard is perfectly fine. But requiring a standard that you cannot meet yourself is wild to me. Like, the woman damn near has to be perfect, and you can literally be a scraggler. She not even getting nobody tall. She not even getting nobody that she can look up to. You feel me? When she want to get a little kiss, that she have to stand on her tippy toes to give a little kiss to look up to. She can't even take a picture with you dressed up because you don't know how to iron a damn shirt. You don't even know how to put a suit together, if you even have a suit. That's a whole nother conversation. But you think you can come on here being short, unstable, unfit, and have a list of things that a woman needs to be? How about everything you require of a woman, you be? How about you be masculine? How about you make sure that you're in the gym? How about you make sure that you got your stuff together? Huh? Make sure you're attractive. Make sure you actually have a skincare routine. Make sure you have a consistent appointment with that barber. Huh? Oh, y'all don't want to get into that. But a woman gotta have everything in the world. Can't have one hair out of place. But she can't even get a man that she can look up to and give a kiss to. You got all this attitude. You 5'7". So dating has been interesting. But I've come across some really nice guys. And we'll see. I haven't gone on any dates yet just because I am scary Mary. Like, I feel like I have to vet people in like my own personal way, because I feel like you can't just let anybody into your space, anybody into your energy. Like, I'm not just gonna go out with you for the sake of going out with you. Like, I'm gonna go out with who I want to go out with, because I have vetted you in my own process. Now, if down the road I find out that you're shit, okay, oh, I'm not supposed to be cussing. If down the road I find out that you're trash, then okay, you know what I'm saying? But I'm still, before I even allow you into my space, I'm still gonna go through like my own personal vetting process. So like, it's only like, I think I've only given my number out to 3 people, because it's like everybody doesn't have to have access to me. And if me being comfortable before I give you access to me is a problem for you, then you don't have to worry about it at all, because I'm not going to do something that I'm uncomfortable with for you to be happy. It's about me. In the beginning of dating, it's very selfish. It's about me. I don't know you. Why should I be uncomfortable for you? Who are you? I don't know you. You're a stranger. I'm not gonna be uncomfortable. Just like I wouldn't expect you to want to be uncomfortable to be around me. I wouldn't expect that from nobody. So yeah, like, no, I'm not doing that. But it's been, I have come across some nice guys who are funny and witty. You know what I'm saying? Because I like a little banter. I like a little back and forth. You know what I'm saying? I got too much mouth. I need somebody that, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to say keep up, because like, but you know, I want somebody who I can have that back and forth with, because I like that. And that's how I am anyway. Like, that's how my friends are. That's how my family is. So of course the person that I'm with, you know what I'm saying? I like a little, you know. I'm so dramatic, and I just really love that for me. I love my dramatics. I love my dramatics. I love how over the top and ridiculous I can be, because it's not like in a bad, annoying way. It's like in a funny, endearing, oh, she's so cute way. At least I think so. I feel like the people that don't like me don't like themselves. That's crazy to say, but for real, because like, you don't like me, like, you know what I'm saying, like actually know me, then like, bro, you just don't like yourself, because I'm pretty fire and I'm a good time, but you know. Alright, now we're going to do the eyeliner. Now that my story has concluded. Oh, what is going on with my phone? I really enjoy being cute. Like, I really enjoy that. Oh, I just had deja vu. I just had deja vu. Literally typing this, like reading the message and typing out my response. Definitely had deja vu. I don't know what's going on. Why is it like when you write color, now it's auto correcting to COLOUR, or like favorite is like they're putting that U in favorite, or they're changing the Z to S in appetizers. Like, why are y'all changing words? Why are y'all changing how words are spelled? Why are y'all doing that? I don't like, who said we're doing that? Who said that now favorite is spelled FAVOURITE? Who said that? Who said appetizer is now going to be APPETISER? Like, y'all are doing the most. Y'all are trying to find things to do, and I want y'all to utilize your time better, because that the word's already been created. The spelling is done. How you gonna go back and change it and not tell nobody but clearly the keyboards in the iPhone and Google? Because when I type them in Gmail, it pop up and highlighted red. No, it's not spelled wrong. It's not spelled wrong. Favorite has been spelled the same way for hundreds and thousands of years, and now all of a sudden y'all gonna slide that U in there. Tell me why eggs and avocados is still $13 for two, huh? Why don't you take your time? Why don't y'all take your time and focus on that? Because that's what we really need. That's where our attention needs to be. That's where the focus needs to be, figuring that out. Because what the hell is that about? Huh? Don't nobody have an answer for that. But you gonna put a U in favorite. I'm so sick of it. I'm so sick of it. I am so sick of it. I'm sick of it, and I'm sick of y'all. I can't take it. I can't take it. Oh yeah, my eyeliner. Here we go. Almost forgot, but I got it. I almost forgot, but I got it. Here we go. All right. What's next? Oh yeah, okay, here we go. Now with my foundation, I'm gonna go in and buff out everything. Yeah. What am I gonna eat later? What am I gonna eat after the show? I need to figure out where I want to go. Maybe I should figure out what's close by and then go from there. Every time I close my eyes, I wake up feeling so horny. Why is that song stuck in my head? What must I say? What must I do to show how much I think about freaking you? Like, they was really playing that on the radio. Can you imagine? Well, I mean, I guess about the same, but what I wonder what it was like to, like, because I know what it's like to go out to the club and, you know, hear the songs that are like super popular now, but I wonder what it was like to go to the club and hear like a super popular like old song. Like, I wonder it was for that to be like the song of like your day, and you going out to the club knowing like you going to the club, oh, I know I'm gonna hear this because da da da. I wonder what that was like, because those songs still go off now 20-30 years later. So it's like, how was them songs hitting in the club when they at first came out? Because I know people was in the club blacking out, baby. Okay, well, Huda Beauty setting powder, I mean pressed powder. We're gonna go in for our contour. Easy peasy, no cream contour, no cream blush today because I gotta go. This gotta be a quick face, as quick as possible. It's not really a quick face, but to show how much God bless my future husband. Like, wherever he is, I'm glad, I hope and pray that the Lord is giving him just a little bit more strength every day, so when he does come across me, he'll be ready. Cause yeah. All right, Juvia's Place blush palette. 1 2 3 1 2 3 bong. Oh, watch your mouth, Jonte. Watch your mouth. About to let that curse word slip out. We are not cursing on here, girl. Hold it in. Curse later. Like a lady. I love mixing those two shades. Fire. All right. Gold deposit. Don't act like this is your first time. Excuse me. And the thing I like most about highlight and blush is you can literally just build it. So like, You can just keep applying the product until it gets to what you want it to be. I'm looking like something's missing. I ain't put my lashes on yet. I'm like, it's not hitting. Where's my big fluffy? There you are. My nose ring's looking weird. Alright. I need to switch out my nose ring for a hoop. It's done healing. What must I say? Alright, now we're going in with the setting spray. We're going to set the look, darling. What the fuck? I mean, what? Why did it just spray out like that? That first spray came out a little weird. What must I say? What must I do to show how much I think about freaking you? Do 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 do. What must I do to show how much? I was talking about this last night with our DJ. We was talking about Kanye and how, like, why I felt that, like, Late Registration was his best album. And it to me, well, Late Registration is my favorite Kanye West album. So we were just kind of talking about that and, like, going through the songs and, like how good of an album it was, and how, you know, it was a cohesive album, but, like, every single song just had such a different sound, but everything just flowed together so well and just worked together so well. And we were just kind of talking about, just like, if you were to rank Kanye's albums, I think it all goes off of just personal feels, because all the albums are great in their own right. They pretty much all have a different sound. They're all like a different side of Kanye. Me personally, after Pablo, that's pretty much like musically, like, that's where I kind of stopped with Kanye. But Late Registration is for sure my favorite album of his, hands down. We Major is my favorite Kanye West song of all time. Like, I want that song played like at least 4 times at my wedding. That will be a requirement at my wedding, for We Major to play back to back to back to back. It's my favorite Kanye West song of all time. I would play it right now, but copyright issues. But if you don't know the song that I'm talking about, I'm not going to get upset about it. But I would just recommend to just listen to We Major by Kanye West. Lupe Fiasco's on there. Adam Levine. It's the perfect song. It is the perfect song. It is the perfect song. It is my favorite song. It's probably like of all time. It's definitely on like my favorite songs of all. It's on my all-time list for sure. For sure. I have lyrics from Touch the Sky tattooed on me. that is my favorite Kanye West album. It's just so good. And I don't care how many times I listen to it, how many times I hear the same song over and over and over and over again. It's so good. It's just so good. It's just so good. Like, I literally have no words. It's just, it's perfect to me. Here we go with the lash. That'd be my favorite part. That's when I feel like my most girly, when I put on a little lash. What must I say? What must I do to show how much I think about freaking you? I wake up feeling so on. I'm doing a nice brown lip today, so we're gonna do a little lippy moment and it not be matte. Two for two. Last night I was able to get both of my lashes on the first time, and you see it happen again today. Period. The gold lash. I think it's this little gold lash holder. It's getting me together because here I go chewing that fake gum again. Like, why do I do that? Why did I do that just now? Like, perfect example. Why did I just do that? I really don't even know. I don't even know what that like symbolizes in my brain where I keep doing it. All right, so now I'm gonna brush away the excess product on my brows. Excuse me. Bro, I'm so burpy, bro. Alright, let's put a little foundation right here. Bang. My head itch. Alright, another layer of setting spray. This sprayer is chaotic. What must I say? All right. What must I do? Oh, well. Yo. I know my parents had a time trying to get me together growing up and raise me. I know they probably just laid in the bed like, what are we gonna do about the young one? What are we gonna do about that girl? I'm gonna have to. My whole, did y'all see that? My whole lash just came up. Like, what did I do? That's so embarrassing. What did I do? That's what you know what? That's what I get for glowing and getting excited and getting happy. It was like, oh, you 2 for 2, huh? Nah. No, you're not. Yo, I literally blinked. And the lash was like, yeah, we're out of here. That was wild just now. Anywho. I'm gonna have to ask my mom next time I talk to her. I'll be like, Mom, what was it like? Like, did you and Dad really just like, you know what I'm saying? When y'all get ready for bed, y'all put the kids to sleep. Is this one too? And like putting the kids to sleep. Do y'all be, what was y'all saying about me? Was y'all like, baby, that young one, that baby girl. That baby girl, something, Lord. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have to ask my mom that. Cause I wonder that at my big ass age. What must I say? What must I? No. What must I? What must I? What must I do? What must I do? There we go. That's the note. That's the note, girl. You found it. Took you a minute, but you found it. What must I do? Yeah, let's see. Matter of fact, let me see how far these two places are from each other. What must I say? What must I do? Oh, hell yeah. They right down the street from each other. I may park there and then Uber and lift right to the front door. Yeah, they right down the street from each other. That's so convenient. Amen to that. Get that out of here. I'm not doing that. Hell yeah. I hope this place sells food because I am hungry. I'm hungry. I ain't ate. I pray they have food. Lord, please let these people have food. Amen. What must I say? What must I do? I think about freaking you. Alright, let's try this. Well, let's wait till it's a little tackier. Da 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 dee. Da 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 do. Okay, humble me, child. Humble me. Real quick. Alright, so the lip for today is Spirit by MAC Cosmetics. The lip liner is Chestnut by MAC Cosmetics. And the little gloss that I'm going to put over it, just so it's not as matte, is going to be the Crayon Case Hall Pass Lip Gloss in the shade Clean Kisses. So it's a combination. of the tree. Here we go. So my battery didn't die, but I ran out of room on my flash drive. It's always something when I record. But anyway, back where we left off. So Spirit and Persistence are two of my favorite browns and nudes from MAC. And Clean Kisses is my favorite lip gloss from Crayon Case. And that's the lip. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna go again, put my wig on, get ready, and then I will be back with the final look. All right, so here we are with the final look. Very easy, very simple. I'm wearing black, my favorite color to wear. But yeah, I'm taking some of my socks and hats from Urban Sky to gift to the two podcasters. So I wanted to wear an outfit that I could wear some of my socks with. So it's just a simple black oversized dress, and then I'm gonna wear my Yeezys with my socks. But yeah, it's very black. It's giving Nubian Morticia. This is my grandmother's necklace. But yeah, this is basically the look. I love the lip. It's one of my favorite nude combos. But yeah, that's basically it. I need to get out of the crib. I need to leave in like the next 10 minutes. So that is basically it. This is the look. I am on my way out the door, going to a podcast. I can't record, of course, during their show, so this won't be like a vlog or anything like that. And I won't even have time to do a get ready with me as far as my outfit, because I gotta go. But oh, do I have to sneeze? Do I have to sneeze? No. Woo. Anyway, this is basically the look. I'm about to run out the door. Do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms. Thekidinthecity on everything. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and here. And please disregard my pajamas in the background. I had to move my camera again. But this is the look. This is the feel. This is what we're going with. Thank you so much for tuning in. I do appreciate it. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with the kid. And for that, I thank you. Until next time. Bye.